Hello everyone, hello guys, hello. We are now, still at home early in the morning. We are done eating, and we are preparing to go to school. My grandson going to school. I am take care of it. That's my two grandson. Handsome boy. Handsome boy. This is Roel. I say hi on my vlog. No time. And this is Johan. Say hi on my vlog. Hi. That's my two grandson. And this is my dog. Come on, dog. This is my dog. Hello, dog. Hello, dog. Hanay, this is Mau Mau. Oh, nagselos naman yung isa. And this is Bing Bong. Come on, Bing Bong. This is Bing Bong. See, Bing Bong. Oh, there are my two dogs. Oh, look at cute. Yes, this is my dog. And Bing Bong. And Mau Mau. Oh, Bing Bong love also, no? Bing Bong. Bing Bong also love. Oh, selos po Mau Mau. Magselos talaga yan sila, oh. Ayan, that's my family. Oh. We are happy family. Bing Bong, they love also each other. Hello. Hello, Bing Bong. Hello, Mau Mau. Ayan, ang mga aso kong mga alaga. Mahal na mahal din nila ako. Say hello. Hi. Where's Mau Mau? Mau Mau is there. My grandson is there. And the other one, we are preparing now to go to school. Hello everyone. Prepare na sa school karon. So, tingnan mo naglalambing. Ganyan yan siya maglambing. Mau Mau? Bing Bong? Ayan, upo yan talaga. Nagsiselos yan siya eh. Tumatabi sa akin.